Oh!
Beep, 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 beep.
Ooh.
Yo, what is up, Dan?
Hey, Bird, I'm just thinking, you know? Yo, you want to do something, man? Like, we can go outside and do something, you know, like classic Bird and Dan adventure, you know? I don't know, Bird. I think we have a big problem right now. What are you talking about? Just look, man. Just look. Huh? Hey, guys, it's your boy, the Sans Gladiator 3000 again. Why am I talking like this? Whatever. I guess it's fitting for the video, okay. So, like, basically, I have, a new person to help me defeat those wretched do-gooders called Bird and Dan. Like, I don't know how to say this. They're real mean, you know? They were mean to me. They're like mean to me, you know? They're, like, really mean. I don't know, man. They're just really mean. Dan, you know what we gotta do? We gotta go stand up to that guy because he's being a real, how do I say this? Cyberbully. Yeah, but he says he has a new person to defeat us, you know? And what are we gonna do? Just hide in fear? Come on, man. We gotta step up to him. Defeat him. You know what, Bird? You're right. We don't know even what he has anyway. It's probably just some, like, creature we could definitely beat or something. Like, the, you know, I don't know. But, like, we could definitely beat him. That's the spirit, man. Now let's get, Sansbird! Oh, Dan! And Bird, yeah. You guys are here just in time to witness my partner and me beat the crap out of you, bro. Oh, what is it? Who let this guy in? Who let this guy in? No, who let this guy in? Who let this guy in?
You're laughing, you know?
No, I got
I was laughing at a funny video.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I got you.
I do those maniacal laughs, you know?
Hey guys, it's me, Sansbird, you know, the cool guy. So, like, this is my new friend to help me defeat you, little do-gooders.
Hey guys, hey, how's it going? I heard that, like, I'm gonna, like, defeat you and all, so, let's just get it over with, man. Here's this thing that, might defeat you, so let me just, throw it at you.
Oh.
That was the sound of me throwing it at you. I hope you like that sound. That kind of, like, took the time and effort for me to do that, but, yeah.
It was a really cool throw.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I practiced.